right, so here we go. First serve. It will be courtesy of Jazz Nabor. And it's an over-received one right away. But, hey.
Actually, before nung nasa Petrogas pa siya, sinescout talaga namin yung serving niya.
Reputation niya talaga yan as Gaston. That's for the outside hit, right pin. High hands, Verdeflor. Safely over. Chance to counter. That will drop in.
That okay talaga sila sa first two sets pero hindi na sila naka-adjust sa signal in the middle of the game. Now as they move on from that and face Cherry today, Kyle said their focus is...
Gem in Ishi Lalong Isip, our 7th draft pick. They will be in our second game later. Sabi ko nga, Phil, kung merong mga feel-good loss, yun siguro yun na parang they have some momentum still coming in, and that will be in our second game. Our first game, their opponent, Creamline, trying to go 8-0. Skyball, 4-all. Nabor. Galang, there's coverage behind. Pons again with the swipe.
Pons off the hand of Marami.
Alam mo, kinakabahan ako pag sineset na kay Ponce. Kasi, sino higher batch? Si Kyle or si Gel? I think Kyle.
Good question, yes.
Kyle, yes.
Run and gun, the specialty of the house for the captain, Abby.
Their team captain. Malaking kumpiyansa.
Although, they had to pull out Eliza Valdez in the last game because of her right knee.
Before.
8-7. Ara. Balanza with the get. Sent back. Coverage was there. Gumabaw again. Nabor. Gemma. Princess is waiting in the wings. That's why.
Off the hand of Pons.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's heavy praise.
Yung vibe.
Yeah.
And I think same from Adamson sila.
Yeah.
Ayan,
Balanza hits the
On cue. Kay Ishi niyan. Na sinabi mo yan.
Sige, sabihin ko sa kanya. Ako pala, no?
Princess on the right pin. Pons! Oh! Oh!
Wow, nice serve.
Gemma will set it to Pons. Rodriguez and Gaston putting up a wall.
Yes, and full front line again for Cherry Tigo.
Flat receive there by Denise. So chance ball. Ara waiting, flying, denied!
Well read by De Leon.
Ang hirap lusutan nun.
Yeah. And I think Coach Norman was saying, yung ball control nila, kailangan present. Kasi nga, dumidikit sa net.
Yeah. Hindi sila nakaka-set eh. Oh, good slide by Verdeflor. Counter-attack here. How many years have we seen Ara Galang? 13 serving 14. From the back, Verdeflor knew it was coming back. Ara. Gemma. Oh, look at her shift her hand, her wrist in mid-air. Pons. Chance to counter. Galanza in front.
Galanza breaks the block.
Sorry, this is at 5 already at 2015. My bad. Ara.
Wow.
Look at the spot. Look at the touch.
I know, and then you have now Tots Carlos in front. Inside.
That's going to drop in. Knew it. Oh! And it still works. Parang pinaganda pa niya yung sinabi mo. Ano?
Yes.
On 2 aces, yeah.
Nice.
Better receive, but easy take there by Pons.
Carlos through the block.
And this run is now a 4th.